Hi guys, welcome to Cooking Candy. Thank you so much for joining me on my culinary journey. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic pizza and my choice of topping is chili, ham and onion. So let's do this. I hope you enjoy. First, we'll begin by making our pizza base, and we're going to require 250 grams of baking flour, oil for greasing, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, 5 grams of yeast, and 150 ml of water. On to making our pizza topping, we're going to need some chopped tomatoes, sliced ham, some mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and the bad boy chili slices, and some fresh onion slices, together with some black pepper, salt, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. So let's get cracking and make our chili ham onion pizza. We begin by mixing caster sugar and yeast with 3 tablespoons of water, and by the use of your finger blend all this together. Then set aside for about 10 minutes for the reaction to be complete, and once it bubbles, then our yeast is ready to use. Sieve your flour and salt together and stir in the yeast mixture once it's ready. Go ahead and add some oil and water. I'm choosing to use 100% pure coconut oil to see whether the texture and taste of this pizza will be different. I'm used to using olive oil in my recipes, so I'm so excited to be trying out a new product that is Koko by Kandee. If you'd like to grab some of this coconut oil, then I'll leave a link in the description box. Prepare your work surface with some flour so that the dough does not stick while kneading. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Using your oil, grease a bowl and put the dough inside. Cover it with a clear film and let it sit for about an hour until it doubles in size. While that's happening, let's go and make our topping. Ensure that your tomatoes are drained of excess liquid so that the paste is not runny. Using a saucepan over low heat, Put together all your tomatoes, tomato paste, oregano, salt and pepper for about 2 minutes in order to make a paste. Using your fingers, tear the cheese into smaller portions and ensure that all other toppings are cut into bite-sized pieces. Now go ahead and preheat your oven at 220 degrees Celsius or gas mark 7. By now our dough has risen and is ready to roll into a base. Knock back your risen dough to release the excess air within and roll it on a well-floured surface to make your circular base in preparation for the topping. I chose to make 2 mini pizzas, so I will separate my dough into 2 portions. Grease your baking tray and place your pizza base on top. Apply your pizza paste and toppings. Bake your pizza for about 20 minutes and let it cool before cutting. Voila! There goes your chili ham and onion pizza. I promise you guys, this thing tastes amazing. The combination of spice and cheese with a touch of beef, heaven. I promise you will not go wrong if you try this recipe, but if you do not like spicy food, then you could alternate the chili for green pepper. But basically, you could choose whatever topping you like and whatever is available in your kitchen. I just wanted to show you a basic sample of how to make a pizza base and a pizza sauce, and whatever you put on top is your choosing. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you so much for being part of the Sweet and Sour family. Subscribe to my channel, share and leave a comment. Enjoy your pizza. Ciao.